Hi Skin Games, Tyler Card here, checking in for week 3 of the compromised barrier category. This week's treatment focuses on rebuilding the skin barrier and restoring balance after inflammation. My goal is to strengthen barrier integrity, replenish lipids, and support the microbiome while making progress on our acne case study. I'm starting with a hydrating barrier cleanse using panthenol and prebiotics to soothe sensitivity, feed beneficial bacteria, and restore the barrier while preparing it for active treatments. Next, I'm using the Rapid Response Detox Cleanser with tea tree, manuka, and lactic acid to gently remove buildup, balance oil, and reduce harmful bacteria without stripping or disrupting the barrier. For the first mask, I blended an antimicrobial and calming treatment using Totorol, bisabolol, and beta-glucan to calm redness, support healing, and protect the skin's natural defenses while maintaining hydration. The second mask combines a microbiome and soothing formula with probiotics, snow algae, and spirulina to restore microbial diversity, reduce reactivity, and reinforce barrier strength, while aloe vera and panthenol add hydration to improve comfort and elasticity. I removed the masks with a cool towel, then applied a ceramide-rich sheet mask to replenish essential lipids, while utilizing red and blue LED light to promote healing and support microbiome balance. Next, I apply the Renee Rouleau skin correcting serum with niacinamide, beta-glucan, and antioxidants to calm redness, strengthen barrier proteins, and improve hydration. A peptide-infused calming serum follows to reinforce resilience and lock in moisture. I finish with an antioxidant broad-spectrum SPF, utilizing niacinamide, bisabolol, and vitamin E to protect against UV damage and environmental stress, followed by the Civ Biome Balancing Serum, a probiotic lipid blend with bacillus ferment, squalane, and triglycerides that restore microbial diversity and strengthens the barrier long-term. At this stage of her program, every step is focused on recovery and resilience, rebuilding the foundation of healthy skin so it stays balanced, hydrated, and ready for future corrective work. Stay tuned for next week where we'll be doing our first active treatment.